Now is the time for smart manufacturing. Inficon provides the most comprehensive and advanced intelligent manufacturing systems for the electronics manufacturing industry. Our FPS and FabGuard product lines are proven to increase the capital productivity, labor efficiency, and overall factory efficiency by presenting critical information, automating complex decision-making, and delivering industry-leading execution capability, all in real time. At the factory floor level, Inficon provides integrated operations and process control solutions for optimized factory performance. Built on comprehensive digital twins, applications include Factory Scheduler and FabGuard FDC. NextMove optimizes WIP movement to enable compliance to the Factory Scheduler. NextMove VTS integrates a camera monitoring system and the Factory Scheduler, and NextMove is for real-time lot location. The Maintenance Optimizer coordinates maintenance activities with the Factory Scheduler and can integrate with FabRecover for step-by-step dynamic guidance and troubleshooting. Both applications increase uptime and increase efficiency of maintenance activities. Our Fab Control solution provides tools to develop, deploy, and manage process control strategies across any fab. Process control automation and optimization is possible at the lowest cost of training and development time. The Metrology Sampling Optimizer uses real-time data and factory conditions to determine which lots to measure for optimal tool and product coverage. Supporting Inficon's core predictive applications are its visualization, analysis, and reporting suite. Factory Dashboard is the window to the digital twin of the factory. It provides an overview of factory operations and access to other applications, such as historical performance, that allows fast visualization of the most critical factory performance metrics over time. Our cycle time analysis products are designed to highlight the factors that influence cycle time. We provide a full breakdown of cycle time into its components. Capacity Analyzer creates estimates of tool utilization for given starts profiles using precise factory data and advanced algorithms. Our applications make smart manufacturing of the future possible today. Visit ims.inficon.com to learn more or contact us at reachus@inficon.com.